In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks using your Robinhood account on a PC. If you're new to investing or Robinhood, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step so you can feel confident making your first trade and managing your investments. Before we start, make sure you have an active Robinhood account and your credentials ready. First, open your Robinhood account on your computer by navigating to the Robinhood website and logging in. Once you're logged in, take a look at the navigation menu. Click on the account icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. From here, choose Transfers. This is where you'll connect your bank account if you haven't already done so. Simply follow the prompts to add your bank details. Connecting your bank is crucial, as it will allow you to move funds in and out of your Robinhood account with ease. Once your bank account is linked, it's time to deposit some money so you can start investing. Stay in the Transfer section and look for the deposit option. Click on it, enter the amount of money you'd like to add, and then submit your deposit. Double check that you've entered the correct amount before confirming. Remember, your deposit may take a little time to appear, especially if it's your first transfer. After your funds are available, you can begin searching for the stock you want to buy. To do this, head towards the top of the page and click on the search icon. You can either type the name of the company or its ticker symbol into the search bar. When you see your desired stock in the list, click on it to open its detail page. Now, let's move on to buying shares. On the stocks page, you'll see a buy button. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest. You have the flexibility to enter either the number of shares or the dollar amount, depending on your preferences and goals. Once you're satisfied with the amount, review your order details to make sure everything looks right. If all is correct, click Buy to confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you now own shares in that company. When you're ready to sell your stock, head back to your account by clicking on the account icon. Navigate to Investing and then find the stock you currently own from your portfolio list. Click on it to open its detail page. From here, tap on Trade and select Sell. Enter the amount of shares or dollar amount you'd like to sell, review your order, and then click Sell to finalize the transaction. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood using your PC. Take your time to explore different stocks, read up on market trends, and never hesitate to double check your transactions. Thanks for watching and happy investing.